And what's happening, YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back to another video, and today I want to ask you if you are looking for a brand new case for your brand new MacBooks. This is the one for you. Let's go ahead and show you what it could do. Now this MacBook case is from Lention. We're gonna test it out today and see how well it does. And we're gonna show you the material as well and unbox this today. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can notify our next videos to comment tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below on fibcedmonton.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. So let's go ahead and show you this brand new case from Lention so that we can protect our new MacBooks. Here we go. So pretty easy unboxing here, as you can see there. Nice little bag there. As you can see there, it's good for 13 inch. They also have different sizes. That is good for 16 inches as well. All sorts of size even for iPads, so that's pretty good. The case here actually is very nice. Has a good little protection there. On the back, it has a carrying handle there as well. It also has a little pouch back here, which is pretty good, which hides the handle right there. And same here, there you go, so that you can use it kind of like a briefcase there. Pretty cool. On the front here, there's a little zipper where you can put your chargers and whatnot. It also has little pockets inside, so you can see there. Pen and a couple of pen slots there as well, and couple of pockets. There you go. Over here, let's take this thing off right there. The inside is suede. Definitely will protect. Very nice material up in there. Definitely will protect your MacBooks, and it won't scratch it at all. So let's go ahead and fit our new MacBook here as well. So this is our new MacBook Air M1, and basically we're just gonna fit it right in here. As you can see there, it fits very well, and it has a lot of cushion as well. There's still more space in here. We're gonna stuff it today and see how much it can do. There you go. So you can see here, you'll be able to stuff it. Usually you have a charger for your MacBook. Like here's our USB-C. It's not there, so just gonna snap this in there. There's also a block like this for the MacBook. Just gonna put this right in there as well. Now there are times as well that, of course, external hard drive is a must. So I have this little guy right here by Oracle. So we're gonna put that right in this pocket right here. There you go. And then the cable right in there as well. It's a little snug in there, but at least we can still put another phone in there, which is pretty good. And there you go. This is an iPhone XR, so it does have a little bit bigger case, but for the most part, you'll be able to fit a lot of things in there. Pretty good. I'm sure you could still put AirPods in there, like so. There you go. And all sorts of different things like more memory for your camera if you are a vlogger like me. There you go. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in a brand new case for your new MacBook. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.